Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I am back with this week's CVS deals and I hope everyone is doing great. I also have a video clip of some of the clearest items I found. Hopefully your store will have some, that way you can grab whichever one you need. Let's go see what deals we can find today. The first deal will be on spend $15, get $5 back on any caliber stationery, and this is a limit of 1. And the first item will be this mechanical pencil, 30 count, priced at $8.99. And the next one will be this 5 count highlighter, priced at $3.39. And the third item we'll be adding to this will be this small binder clip, priced at $2.89. And all these 3 items will come up to $15.27, which is past the spend 15. And I've been getting this 5 or 15 caliber CRT for some weeks now. So with just that CRT, it will bring it down to $10.27 and I'll get $5 back, making all these 3 items $5.27 or $1.76 each. The next deal will be on buy 2 any CVS health cleansing wipes, get $2 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the sensitive cleansing wipes, 64 counts, priced at $4.99 each. These 2 items will come up to $9.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making both of them $7.98 or $3.99 each. This deal will be a good deal to add to a 10 off 70, or if you have percentage of CRT, because they are not on sale, so you can use percentage of CRT for it. The next deal will be on any clear hair color. It's on buy 2, get $4 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the nice and easy hair color at $9.49 each. These 2 items will come up to $18.98. Using the BOGO coupon we got from 716 Savings Cert, or if you still have yours in our app, we received that last week. And also, I have a 4 off 16 hair color CRT. The coupon and the CRT will bring it down to $6.99 and I'll get $4 back, making both box $2.99 or $1.50 each. Whole blend is on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. You can mix or match however way you want, and everybody received a 3 off 2 digital coupon today that will apply and bring it down to $5, and you get $2 back, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. Garnier Fructis is also on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. This is a different deal, it's not the same as whole blend. We all received another 3 off 2 digital coupon for this as well, that will bring it down to $5 and you get $2, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal will be on Gillette Shave Gel or Foams. They're on buy 2, get $3 back, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $4.39, one will be full price and the second one will be half off. Or you can pick up 2 of the Satin Care priced at $5.29 each. I will be explaining both of them, that way you can pick whichever one you want to do. If you're picking up the Gillette foam, that's the red and the blue one, 2 of them will come up to $6.59, and we all have a $1 off digital coupon that will apply to this, bringing it down to $5.59, and you get $3 back, making both items $2.59 or $1.29 each. If you're doing the Satin Care one, 2 of them will come up to $7.94, and when you take off the $1 digital coupon, it attaches to this one as well. It will bring it down to $6.94. You pay that and get $3 back, making both items $3.94 or $1.97 each. The next deal will be on spend 10 get $4 back on Irish Spring soft soap body wash and bar soap. Picking up the Irish Spring body wash, that's the 20 ounces at $7.49, and also the bar soap 3 count at $4.69. These 2 items will come up to $12.18. Check irishspring.com. You can print out a 75 cents coupon for this. You can print out 2, but this will only attach to the 20 ounces. That will bring it down to $11.43. and you get $4 back, making both items $7.43 or $3.72 each. The next deal will be on buy 2 Dove or Love Beauty and Planet Personal Cleansing, get $7 back. Picking up 2 of the Dove Body Love Cleanser, priced at $11.79. Or you can pick up 2 of the Love Beauty and Planet Body Wash, priced at $9.99, and I'll be explaining both. For the Dove Body Cleanser, 2 of them will come up to $23.58. Check your email. If you're signed up with Unilever, I have a $2 off to any Dove product. It will bring it down to $21.58 and I'll get $7 back, making both items $14.58 or $7.29 each. If you have any percentage of CRT, this will be a good deal to add it because the items are not on sale. If you choose the Love Beauty and Planet Body Wash, the 2 items will come up to $19.98, and I also have a 75-cent coupon from the same Unilever email you can print out too. That will be $1.50, and with the coupons it will bring it down to $18.48 and I'll get $7 back, making both items $11.48 or $5.74 each. And this is another good item to add to a percentage of CRT because it's not on sale also. The next deal is on buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back on Dove Men Plus Degree Deodorant or Dry Spray. Picking up 2 of the Dove Dry Spray, priced at $9.99. The second one will be $5. I have this BOGO coupon we got from 716 savings set that will take off a maximum of $7.99, bringing the price down to $7, and you get $2 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal will be on buy 2 get $5 back on Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll or Viva Big 6 Rolls. Picking up 2 of the Cottonelle at $10.49 each. These 2 items will come up to $20.98, and we have a $1 digital coupon that will be attaching to this. That will bring it down to $19.98 and I'll get $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Shopkick app for $1 back for the second Cottonelle, making both items $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next deal is on any Ensure. It's on buy 2 get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $12.49, that's the 6-pack, and 2 of them will come up to $24.98. Check your app because in mine I have a $3 off that is attaching to this, and also go to coupons.com and print out another $3. I received a 4 off 25 any protein powders, shakes or bar that will also apply to this. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $14.98 and I'll get $5 back, making both items $9.98 or $4.99 each. Select General Meal cereal is on sale for $1.99 each. Picking up 2 of the Lucky Charms at $1.99. Both of them will be $3.98. I have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will attach to this and bring it down to $2.98. And I also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back when you buy 2, making both boxes $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal is on CoverGirl. It's on buy 3 get $9 back, limit of 1. Picking up 3 of the brow pencils priced at $5.79 each. If your store have the Perfect Blend pencil, it will be better option, but my store only have this $5.79 pencils. 3 of them will come up to $17.37, and use 3 of the $3 coupon we got from the 7/9 savings set. It will bring it down to $8.37 and you get $9 back, making all 3 items free and a 63 cents money maker. This week, Maybelline is on a tier deal of buy 2 get 5 or buy 3 get $8, and it's a limit of $8. It does not track. Picking up 2 of the twin brow pencils priced at $5.99 each. The 2 of them will come up to $11.98, And everybody received a $3 Maybelline Instant CRT today. That will bring it down to $8.98, and you get $5 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is on spend 20 get $10 back on Eco Tools, Rig Technique brushes or sponges. Picking up the Real Technique Everyday Essentials, priced at $19.99, that's within the 98% rule. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, this would be a good time to use it, or if you want to add it to a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT, depending on what you have. But if you don't have any of the two, you have to pay the $19.99 and get $10 back, making it just $9.99. These are some of the clearance items I was talking about earlier on in this video. Hopefully your store will have it. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.